Hello guys, this is JCB Loader. We just took the engine out this morning. The engine has a lot of leakage, so we made order for the seals and the gaskets that needed for the sump and the front cover. So we are going to change the gasket and the seals that needed to change and then fix it back. Okay. This is the side gate. Okay, you have the harness also here, engine harness also here. Most of the attachments are also here in the bucket, as you can see. And this is the engine. It's Cummins engine. So as you can see here, we are draining the oil, and right now it is about time to close, so we can't work on this today, or we can continue again. So we are going to work on this by tomorrow early in the morning. Remove the sump and change the gaskets, remove the front cover also and change the gaskets. The front and the back crankshaft seals also has a leakage, so we are going to work on that too, and any other leakage that is on the engine, we will work on that. So tomorrow, if we are able to finish all this, we will fix it back. If not, then it will be the day after tomorrow. Okay.
Ta.
We cannot hang it. Okay, now this is the sump. The engine is here. Okay, you can see the oil tube, and the strainer on the tip. Okay, this pump, this small pump that you see here is the brake pump, brake and the fan pump. This is the brake and the fan pump, this pump that you see here. Okay, the timing is also here. The middle is the camshaft. The right hand side, I mean the big gear, this particular gear is the injection pump. So the crankshaft to the injection pump, this is the timing. Okay, and then when you come to this side also, this is the crankshaft and the cam. Okay, this is the timing too. Okay, this pump you see here is the oil pump, and like I said, this is the brake and the fan pump. The brake is hydraulic, so this is the pump. These are the new gaskets and the seals. All the kits are here, so we are going to remove all the old gaskets from the block and then fix the new one. Okay. That is electrician Liu. Gradually we are about to finish. We are going to fix the pump and then the rest of the attachments. Thank you.